So this just came in. Let's see what's inside. Garbage. Accessories probably.
Garbage.
A new office pre-built from Asus. Not gonna lie, it actually looks sick. I was hoping for something a little less basic. Undercarriage time. Oh god, it's one of these. Gotta love pre-builds. Okay, so let's count the sins this PC has committed. Single channel RAM, a cooler that probably remembers George Washington, twice, and whatever this atrocity is, it's welded to the case so you can't even get it off. Average IO, the cables also look good, and hold on! There's a graphics card in here. This system has a 5600G APU inside that can run GTA 5, and it's just gonna rot in an office. This poor GPU. Okay, let me fix it. Oasis, what have you done to this card? What even is this? Thank god you can screw it off, but still, I think it needs a better place. Wanna see where it's at? Tell me if you'd like a part 2.